This is the best salad dressing for weight loss. Light, fresh, and packed with flavors. Instead of drowning your salad in heavy, creamy mayo based dressings that can turn a healthy salad into junk food, let's make a light and refreshing vinaigrette. A classic vinaigrette is 3 parts oil to 1 part acid. But for weight loss, we are using a modern 1:1 ratio for fewer calories. For acid, you can use any citrus juice such as lime, lemon, or even orange, or just a good vinegar. Now just add your favorite seasoning. I'm using chili flakes, sesame seeds, and salt. Don't be shy with the seasoning as salad leaves are mostly water, so they need that bold flavor to pop out. Give it a good shake until it turns buttery and smooth. And the best part, you can add so many things to keep this dressing interesting. Want a little sweetness to balance the tang? Add some honey. Want creaminess without the mayo? Add some yogurt or maybe add some herbs. You can keep it customizing so your salads will literally never taste the same twice. Now let's build our salad. I'm adding chopped lettuce, tomatoes, red onions, and cucumbers. Then for a serious protein boost, we have got that pulled chicken breast, some fresh cilantro for extra flavor and crunch. And that's it. No heavy sauces, no guilt, just a light, delicious dressing that makes your salad taste amazing and keeps your diet on track. This is what healthy should really taste like. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have a friend who's still putting mayo on their salad, share this with them right now.